Yo, 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 yo. Nikki, oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, y'all. So I wanted to look behind the scenes and see what uh, Nature Boy was saying on his end whenever Sonata kept disconnecting. I was looking at it from YouTube. So Nature Boy said that he was streaming it from everywhere, Instagram, Twitter, blah, blah, blah. So I've been looking, and let's see here. Who is this that I found? Shout out to SL Davis and HR Media. Go over to her page and look at it in its entirety if you want to. I just wanted to see what he was telling his cult behind the scenes whenever Sonata them got tired of his shenanigans and was disconnecting, or when he blinked out. So let's listen.
I did answer the questions. I answered them completely. Can I get my 3 minutes or not? Bro, I can talk about, you're talking about me, I can talk about whatever I want in these 3 minutes. We agreed to that. Wait, I get to say whatever I want in the 3 minutes and you agree. Is this reverse psychology? Do I smell reverse psychology? That was so cute. That was so cute. He reversed it.
Malia look like she getting sick of this shit.
Yo, you want to do the interview or not? Because I can get out of here. Yo, I'm pumping if you need it. I got your footage already. I got your energy, nigga. I'm good.
Okay, so we saw this part.
This shit, I got this shit already. You good? I'm ready to go. I stole this shit, nigga. You good? Yeah, it's if I make money off this shit, it's fine, nigga. You good? You good? I'm done. You done with the interview? You know what I'm saying? You get money, you know what I'm saying? On my shit, but you done with the interview? I ain't getting shit. What I'm getting? What I'm getting, Sam? Also, fuck up, bitch.
Oh, so that's what. Remember in that other clip I showed you? If you haven't looked, go back and take a look. This is when Saneter was saying, it looks like you have a whole bunch of insecure women around you. He always wanted the feed cut then because he don't want anybody speaking empowerment to those women. He really don't want them to hear that. He need them programmed up under the shenanigans that he do. So when Saneter said what he said, everybody in the room was like, He stood up and said, shut the fuck up, bitch. That's what Shadah was like, smoke up, bitch. Smoke up and chill.
I am here to teach if you let me talk. You won't let me talk. You promised me 3 minutes of talking. I can teach in 3 minutes. I can do a lot in 3 minutes.
You can learn a lot from it, dummy.
You're not gonna say nothing. You're not gonna say nothing for 3 minutes. Hey, I got 3 minutes. You're not allowed to say nothing. Anybody recognizes.
Ah, shut up.
So anyway, that nigga's a bitch. He let his motherfucking bitch talk to him like that, and white supremacy is here, and he let a bitch talk to him like that. I would never let a bitch talk to me like that in my face, in my life. I would never, ever let a bitch talk to me like that. Nigga, what? I'm something like a pimp.
You was God the other day.
Fuck I am, nigga.
You don't know who you are.
I'm something like a motherfucking pimp, but I don't sell pussy. You better keep your
Oh, wow.
You want to say these hoes, huh? That's what you worried about? Nigga, we play with these hoes. This ain't nothing. This cheap shit, nigga. We do whatever we want with women, nigga. What is you talking about?
You
If
hear
it
what he's
wasn't
saying?
white supremacy, it wouldn't be no equal women rights, nigga. That shit happened because a white man is here. Nigga, if it wasn't that, nigga, we have our foot on these hoes, nigga. We be throwing these hoes around, nigga. What you think we doing behind the scenes? Real niggas is like, yo, look at this bitch out here. Look at this bitch out here, nigga. Look, we be sending these bitches to
Oh,
each
that's
other.
a real
We
nigga,
don't give
huh?
a fuck about y'all. We cheats. We big shit. Bitch, we kick y'all bitches out. Bitch, we don't give a fuck about none of y'all hoes. Please, I'm a real nigga. Yeah, God, a real nigga.
What the world? This what the fuck you was saying behind the scenes? How you even say that in the same sentence? God, a real nigga. What the? Oh my.
Yeah, because God and Satan is the same thing.
Oh
I'm
shit.
both of them niggas. I can't be one and not be the other. Pimpin'. Where
Pimping.
this pimpin' shit came from, nigga? God. That's why a bitch called me God. Where my nails at? Yeah, big pimpin', always been.
Did this man say where my nails at? What the fuck? I've been pimping. Yeah, been pimping since been pimping. Where my nails at? What the fuck? He said shit that don't go together. One of these things. Okay, I'm shut up.
But I ain't selling pussy. Oh, y'all niggas hating on the pimp? You mad at the pimp? I'm abusing hoes now? It's called abuse to hoes to be a PIMP.
One more thing. How you feel, brother, that you got to stand there with your hand over your eye, right? Protecting this. How you feel right now? Listening to this shit. You mean to tell me y'all got to sit in this house and hear this shit all the motherfucking time? Devil is a liar.
God damn! Why y'all stepping on my dick? Y'all niggas didn't get on my dick with this shit. How you keep hoes. Bitches don't give a fuck about that shit. We from the hood, nigga. We don't give a fuck about no hoe. Hey, look, if you a queen, niggas gonna protect you, Shadah. For real. Cause you a queen. Ain't nobody, if a bitch a real bitch, can't nobody disrespect her. Cause a nigga gonna respect her because she know how to be around niggas. But a bitch start running her mouth in the hood, you know what we do? Run your mouth to a real nigga. You know what time it is. You play that shit with these duck ass niggas out there. Come on, baby. I'm a real one. Play that shit with these other niggas.
I think he turned into DMX.
So, them bitches talking crazy on the internet. You got my address, right? Right? I did get my address. You know why? Cause ain't no real niggas got problems with me. Real niggas is like, nigga, keep doing your thing. I got niggas behind bars. Listen to me.
Oh.
Man, my prison balls call me. Keep doing your thing, nigga. Real niggas. They got, you know.
So, your credentials and your references to us are the niggas behind bars. I got niggas behind bars. So she can do impersonations.
Boss, they got a lot of, you know, bull.
Oh no.
We gotta disguise ourselves. We can't let niggas know.
He whispering.
We like the men in black. You never see us coming in and out. Right in front of your face. But you never see us coming. Because we get to live. Yes.
What the fuck?
We get to live. Yeah, see, I'm the kind of nigga that
Superstar.
a nigga come to me, I'm a roach. It's different kind of niggas in this world. See me, if a
Not here, Roach.
I'm gonna play like a bitch. I'm gonna be like, what's up, Dad?
I'm sorry, y'all. I can't shut the fuck up. Hold on. I know this man didn't say, if a bigger man come in the room, I'ma play like a bitch. You was just pimping.
I did give my address.
In Honduras. Motherfucker body pulling up the Honduras.
Cause ain't no real niggas got problems with me. Real niggas is like, nigga, keep doing your thing. I got niggas behind bars. Listen to me. Man, on the prison balls, call me. Keep doing your thing, nigga. Real niggas. They got, you know, boss niggas. They got a lot of, you know, pull. But, you know, we gotta disguise ourselves. We can't let niggas know we here. We're like the men in black. You never see us coming, we in and out. Right in front of your face, but you never see us coming. Because we get to live. Yes. We get to live. We get to live. Yeah, see, I'm the kind of nigga that, if a nigga come to me, I'm a roach. It's different kind of niggas in this world. See me, if a bigger nigga come in the room, I'm gonna play like a bitch. I'm gonna be like, what's up, yeah?
Really?
And see, because I'm in touch with my divine feminine and masculine, I'm gonna make you get nice and comfortable. I'm gonna disarm you. And then I'm gonna eat your dick off. See what I'm saying? Like, I'm that type nigga.
Are you goddamn?
You don't know.
The fuck are you saying here, Jack? Wait. I'm sorry. This is y'all. You still got the stand up, yes, sir, with your hand over your eye, and you just heard this nigga say, if a bigger nigga come in the room, you understand? Then I'm gonna be like, I'm sorry, daddy. I'm sorry, daddy. Okay, all right. And then I'm gonna eat your dick off. What the fuck?
And you know, I can be anything on the thing. You know what I'm saying? You want me to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that? What you want me to be? You know what I mean? Hey, look here. Hey, hey, you. Let me tell you something, my friend. All right? I'm from fucking 53rd.
I told you he did impersonation.
Eastland, you know? Over there. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here, eh? We can do whatever we want, eh? Whatever you want to do, we can do it.
Elio. Papi.
What? Come on, son. Fuck on with this nigga.
DMX.
Huh? Yeah. My dog's at.
Ruh.
Right here, dog.
Ow, ow.
My dog's at. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Rebuke him. Who are you now?
And you know what that means. Let me tell you something.
Ah, he did Fire Marshal Bill for real.
You get your lighter.
I thought y'all was playing. Oh, shit.
How you doing? Nice to meet you, kids.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's Fire Marshal Bill. Hold on, I used to go like this. I had to do like this. I had to do this just to get it. How you doing, kid? It's Fire Marshal Bill.
You got to keep a straight.
What you don't understand is that some bitches think that they can get away with talking to a nigga like I'm not a real nigga.
Why I'm just not seeing this? Oh, Lord. He checking niggas in Fire Marshal Bill mode. What is this nigga smoking? Okay, I'm finna start it.
Because the white man is there. Because they can call the police. Well, you see, if it wasn't for marijuana, and watch it. Is it really? I'm sorry, I was talking to Denzel. sanitizer. Oh, shit. Oh, sanitization. Hurry, hurry. How far is right there?
Why he just act like somebody's there? Oh, sanitizer. Oh my god. Oh my god, this shit is crazy. What the fuck happened just that quick?
All these things should be here. We prepped for these things, didn't we?
The sanitizer should be near.
Set or not? I don't know what I hired you people for.
You don't pay them shit, but no mind. Okay? With no damn attention.
I need water.
I can't take it no more. He got to be acting. I'm sorry for keep stopping this. Look, I'm looking at this in real time. Oh my god. Spit the shit out or swallow it. Oh no.
Control all like that. Not one zeros and ones on. Into the abyss. I can feel your soul into the abyss. I promise you. And I'm only getting stronger.
This nigga is dazed.
60%. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
I knew he was finna say that.
I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Yup. All the way up.
Oh, Jesus. I'm so happy I found this. He got to be playing.
No big old sensitive ass couldn't stand no real nigga on it. Yo, at Twitter, shout out to you to let a real nigga rock. Motherfucker. Yeah, I know you watching. I know you getting like real nigga rock. I promise you, whoever owns Twitter is fucking up nigga. Huh? Yo, who's that? Big O. Big O still let me rock? Wow. Yo, Asians, you know I love the Asians. You know what I mean? Who's that? It's I3. Yo, Instagram. Hey, yo, if it wasn't for Instagram, hey, yo. You know what I'm saying? Gotta fuck with Mark. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Mark, major demon, nigga. You demon. That nigga's a major
He's sending
demon.
shout outs to the demons, to the fellow
Demon time,
demons.
nigga. Fuck on you niggas, huh? That one demon shit? Yeah, I'm Satan, nigga.
I bet.
You didn't know that? They didn't tell you? Yeah, that's me. Surprised.
No, not really.
Good.
Boo. Ha ha ha.
And I was gonna say to you, I have so much to say to you. Call me. Let's talk. Let's build. Hey? Yeah, that shit to talk about. Big shit. Real big shit. Hey?
Control Alt Delete. We heard you. Control Alt Delete.